Welcome to HVAC course Beginner to Pro Step 6 Troubleshooting Skills. This is the step where you stop being a beginner and start thinking like a real HVAC technician. Let's be clear about one thing. Great technicians don't guess problems. They follow a system, and today you're going to learn that system. Understanding troubleshooting. Troubleshooting means finding the exact problem step by step, without wasting time. If you guess, you lose time. If you diagnose, you solve faster. Step 1. Check power supply. Always start with power. Ask yourself, is the AC getting electricity? Check the main supply, inspect circuit breakers, and confirm voltage using a multimeter. Sometimes the problem is very simple. No power means no cooling. Step 2. Check airflow. Next, check airflow. A blocked airflow can stop cooling completely. Inspect the air filter. If it's dirty, clean or replace it. Also check the indoor blower and outdoor fan operation. Remember, airflow is everything in HVAC. Step 3. Check refrigerant. Now move to refrigerant. Low refrigerant means poor cooling performance. Look for signs like weak cooling, ice formation, low pressure readings. But always handle refrigerant carefully and follow safety guidelines. Step 4. Inspect components. Now inspect key components. Check the capacitor. Check the contactor. Inspect the compressor and fan motor. Look for burnt wires, loose connections, or damaged parts. Smart diagnosis method. Here's a pro tip. Always follow the same order. Power, airflow, refrigerant, components. This method saves time and avoids confusion. Safety reminder. Before checking anything, always turn off power when needed and use proper tools. Safety is not optional, it's essential. Real technician mindset. A real technician doesn't panic. They observe, they test, they confirm, then they fix the problem with confidence. Don't guess, diagnose smartly. Follow the process every time, and you'll become a professional HVAC technician. Like, comment, subscribe for more HVAC tips and step-by-step training. Thank you so much.